Hey guys, welcome back to some more Super Mario 3D Land. Last time we done 5-5, this time we're doing the castle of World 5. And there's a castle in every level except for, every world besides from worlds 2, 3, 4, 6, and 7, I think. The rest have castles. So, I think they're all in the same place. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they're all in the same place. And here's Dry Bowser. I believe these, boxes contain a 1-up. And, this isn't that annoying of a level. And I need to get that clock. So, that's it for World 5. So, let's continue. Actually, maybe I'm supposed to upload Kirby. Well, whatever. I'm removing the schedule anyways. So I will see you guys next time for some more 3D Land or Kirby.